Apostle Paul, the giant. So Paul come back. How do you minister in Shaman? And I shall say, I'm going to listen to you. The systems. Our systems. I'm going to prepare a generation. I'm going to prepare a prophet. Hey, hasn't partly to money. I'm going to have a long is about a long service card. Habakuk umevuswa inkosi uyakhala uthi sizwile imbiko ngawe athi sathuthumela wayesethi ke vuseleni izenzo zakho nasemhleni yethu. And God must help us. See, understand ngothandakayo ukuthi we are strategically positioned. Akuvela uNkulunkulu asitedela nje. Qala wabona uNkulunkulu isikhathi sidinga abantu wayesevusa thi uNkulunkulu wayengafaka noma ubani esibelethweni hathi lento is not about ibeletho no uNkulunkulu wayengarelease noma ubani thina simapheko okuzalwa seliliziwe sarelizwa amazwi